We also have a lot of disclosures that have to go along when you're dealing with sub-2 wraps as well as seller financing. Our disclosures are around 6 pages long. Make sure you're using the right paperwork. I cannot emphasize that enough. I've probably spent $40,000 to $50,000 on my contracts to make sure I don't go to jail or don't get in trouble with the attorney generals. With that, on the back side of it, when we are selling our property as lease options, because I am a buy and hold investor, you want to make sure you have the right leases and the right option paperwork. There are 2 different kinds. You have a lease with an option that's all in one. That way you will get equitable interest. That's what you want to use if you are buying with a lease option. However, when you're selling with a lease option, you want to use 2 separate documents. You want to use a lease and you want to use an option. That way, you do not have equitable interest in the deal when you are selling it. If you get equitable interest, now when you go to evict them if they quit making payments, you could have a fight on your hands with the judge. However, with those 2 documents, the option is tied to the lease, but the lease is not tied to the option. What I mean by that is if that tenant buyer does not perform on the lease, the option automatically goes away. Guys, there's a lot to this. It's not that hard to learn this. We'll be more than happy to teach you. We have a whole course put together, plus you have access to me.